Welcome back. Continuing the news now. Another landmark verdict against those breaching the country's building legislation. One St. Mary businessman has been fined more than $4 million for breaching the building codes. But one attorney thinks the legislation needs to be tweaked. This four-story structure is the center of the case tried on Wednesday in the St. Mary Parish Court. Hanan Hong, a businessman in the parish, was fined $4.6 million for breaching the building codes and building without a permit, offenses for which Mr. Hong pleaded guilty. The building in question has apparently been under scrutiny for more than a year, according to the mayor of Porto Maria, Richard Creary.
We continue the process, serve the notice, and the gentleman continued to ignore the notices, continued to build till now. I think he has a four-story building. So had he obeyed from when it was just a single story, he would not have paid the 4.6 million. And he probably would not be in a position now where to have it approved. There will be significant demolition to take place in order to have the building approved.
Mr. Hong's attorney, Romar Dallas, says his client had all intentions to comply.
He would have done the necessary application and sent in all the necessary documents and paid the necessary fees. And it was at the parish council for over a year. But he constructed without getting that permit. And now he is subject to the Building Act of 2019, a very draconian piece of legislation.
Mr. Dallas thinks the verdict was unreasonable and the new Building Act needs to be revisited.
Firstly, it gives the judge no discretion. It contravenes or is in conflict really with the judge's ability to fine, because the parish court has a limit of 3 million, this act has 5 million as a limit, and therefore the power, the enormous power that is given to the judge in matters like this.
Mayor Creary, however, thinks this verdict sets a precedence for nabbing those in breach of the codes.
Citizens of St. Mary, take heed. The St. Mary Municipal Corporation will be coming after all other illegal structures within the parish. So may I suggest, anybody who knows they are in that category, please come into the corporation, have dialogue, submit your building plans once they can be approved.